In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear cache for Grok AI, Fast Fix 2026. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click, plus why this quick fix can resolve slowdowns, loading hiccups, or odd behavior in the app. Think of the cache as temporary data Grok stores to speed things up. Clearing it refreshes your experience without touching your account, subscriptions, or saved work. First, open your preferred web browser and head to grok.com. You can do this on desktop or laptop. The layout I'll describe matches the standard web interface. If the site looks different, don't worry, just follow along and look for the same labels. Next, log into your Grok account. While you can access some areas without signing in, logging in helps ensure your settings are available and any changes, like clearing cache, apply consistently to your profile. It also reduces the chance of running into permission prompts later. Once you land on the homepage, you'll see the Grok AI interface front and center. Take a second to let the page load fully. If elements look stuck or outdated, that's exactly the kind of issue clearing the cache can help with. Now, look to the bottom left corner of the sidebar and click your profile icon. It typically appears as an avatar or your initial. This opens a small menu tied to your account preferences. From that menu, select Settings. This brings you into the area where all your account and app controls live. We're heading to a privacy and storage section next. Inside Settings, click Data Controls. This is where Grok groups options for stored data, privacy preferences, and local app information. You don't need to change anything else here. Just focus on the cache tools. Scroll down until you find Clear Cache. When you see it, click Clear. If a confirmation prompt appears, approve it to proceed. This action removes temporary files and resets cached interface elements, which can immediately fix stale content or performance issues. It does not delete your account data or your plan. It simply forces Grok to pull fresh resources the next time you use it. After clearing, the page may briefly reload or feel snappier. If something looks the same at first glance, give it a couple of seconds, then navigate around the app to let the fresh assets load. If you were troubleshooting a glitch, try repeating the action that failed. Many times it works right away once the cache is cleared. That's it, you've successfully cleared the cache for Grok AI. If this helped, keep this quick path in mind whenever the app behaves oddly. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next guide.